What's up YouTube? You're watching Shoe DIY, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to loosely lace your Knu Skool Vans. So getting straight into it, the first thing I'm going to do is going to push the tongue down into the shoe, which is going to let me get to the lace holes on either side. I'm going to take my laces. I've already made sure as much as possible that I flatten them out so I can get them nice and tidy as I work my way up the shoe. And I'm going to start with taking the outside lace down through the outside first hole. Make sure to flatten as I go. And then I'm going to take the other end of the lace and I'm going to take it down the inside first hole. Before you take the lace all the way through, to make sure your laces are the same on both sides, you take the end of your laces, hold them together, and you pull the lace up through the shoe, making sure that you've got that lace nice and flat and tight. I'm just going to give it a little bit of a pull. So I'm going to start with the outside lace. I'm going to come across the shoe and bring it down through the inside second hole. Making sure not to pull it tight because it's supposed to be a loosely laced style. Make sure it's nice and loose. And then I'm going to take the inside lace, I'm going to bring it across the shoe to the outside second hole. Just make sure your lace overlap as you go. And then I'm going to keep that outside lace in my hand and I'm going to bring it across the shoe to the inside third hole. And then I'm going to take the inside lace across the shoe to the outside third hole. Keeping that lace in my hand, I'm going to take it across the shoe to the inside fourth hole. And then I'm going to take the inside lace across the shoe to the outside fourth hole. Just check my laces aren't getting too tight as I go up the shoe. Keeping that outside lace in my hand, I'm going to come across the shoe to the inside fifth hole. And then I'm going to take the inside lace across the shoe to the outside fifth hole. Then I'm going to keep that lace in my hand. I'm going to come across the shoe to the inside sixth hole. And then I'm going to take the inside lace across the shoe to the outside sixth hole. Then at this stage, whereas we've been taking the laces and bringing them down through the holes all the way through, with the last two parts of the style, you're going to be taking the outside lace, bringing it across the shoe, and you're going to bring it up through the last inside hole. And the same with the inside lace, you're going to bring it across the shoe and go up through the last outside hole. Now just check that all your laces are sitting, overlapping each other, just the way you'd like them. And you'll find at this stage that you've got some laces hanging over and you're going to end up walking on them and they're going to get dirty. So a cool sneaker hack would be to take the lace and bring it back through the hole to make a loop. So I'm going to bring it back just enough, leaving lace hanging out. And then on the other side, I bring the lace back through. About the same amount of lace being left out on both sides. Make sure it's not twisted. And then I'm going to take the two loops together and I'm going to bring them behind the tongue. So I'm going to bring that tongue back up again and I'm going to slide the lace down both sides and underneath like that. So I'm just going to adjust the shoe to make sure that it's sitting all nicely just the way I want it to. Make sure that the laces are hanging out just as much as you'd like on either side. And there you have your loosely laced Knu Skool Vans. So hope you enjoyed that and that it was useful to you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to see the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.